Hey Escambia County Public Schools, are you looking for an easier way to access those pages that you frequent online? Or maybe you find a web page interesting and want to make sure that you can locate it at a later time? Then stick around for this tech tip in a flash with your instructional technology team as we explore creating, managing, organizing, and syncing with Chrome Bookmarks. Creating these bookmarks allows you to save time by having what you need front and center in your bookmarks bar. When you're ready to start bookmarking, look for that URL at the tab you're on, and then in the far right, you'll see a star. If it's hollow, it's not a bookmark yet, so go ahead and click that star to favorite this as a bookmark. If you'd like to change the name of the bookmark or folder, click on Edit, and you'll be able to make those changes from this window here. When you're ready to confirm your changes, click Done. You can see now that your bookmark has been successfully added to the bookmarks bar. If your website contains a favicon, which is the icon located in the tab, you're able to save just that icon to your bookmarks bar to help create more space. Once you click your bookmark, click on Edit and erase the whole name and then click Done. Now you'll see just the icon saves there on your bookmarks bar, creating more room. You can also organize your bookmarks to create collections by categorizing them into folders. From my bookmarks bar, you can see that I already have a folder created for Canva. These two additional tabs I would like to bookmark to add them to that folder to create my Canva collection. You can click the star to create your bookmark as normal, and then you can see here we can change the location by clicking into our folder options and selecting our Canva folder. Those two bookmarks now exist in our Canva folder on the bookmarks bar. If I'd like to add an additional subfolder for better organization, I can right-click into this tab and then click on the option Add Folder. Make sure you click on the primary base level for where you'd like your new folder to exist, and then give that folder a new name and click Save. You can now see in my Canva collection that I have an additional subfolder for design, and I can easily drag any existing bookmark and drop it into that folder for more streamlined organization. You can also choose to organize your bookmarks by changing the order in which they appear by dragging them along the bookmarks bar. The Bookmarks Manager allows you to quickly view, edit, organize, and search all bookmarks more efficiently. There are different ways to manage the bookmarks you currently have. If you're wanting to remove one, you can open it in a new tab, then go to the URL bar, locate the star, and then click Remove. Or you can click on the three dots in the top right corner and navigate to your Bookmarks Manager by clicking first Bookmarks and Lists, and then clicking on Bookmarks Manager. Here in the Bookmarks Manager, you'll be able to see all of your folders and bookmarks. You can click and drag them around to reorder them or choose to open them and move the different bookmarks into new folders, as well as clicking the three dots on the right-hand side will give you additional options for each bookmark. Whether you want to delete or edit that bookmark, you can do all of that here from the Bookmarks Manager screen. Another handy feature is the Search Bookmarks bar, where you can begin typing in the name of a bookmark and it'll provide you with similar search results. Here you can see that I have a bookmark matching my request, and I can click and drag that and open it into a new tab right there from my Bookmarks Manager. And one of the last features of Bookmarks is being able to sync every bookmark across your entire Chrome account. As long as you're fully signed in, you're able to access each bookmark from multiple devices, keeping everything you use right at your fingertips. And that's Chrome Bookmarks in a flash. Thanks for joining us for another Byte of Tech with your instructional technology team. Make sure to click the bell so you stay up to date on all of our new content.